Is drinking too much water dangerous? Yes, you can drink too much water and it can be dangerous, all right? There's no set point in terms of how much water leads to water intoxication, but the kidneys can only process so much water at one point in time, all right? The kidneys cannot process over 1.5 liters per hour of water. It cannot process more than 3 to 4 liters within 3 to 4 hours. It's too much on the kidneys. What happens when you drink too much water, it flushes out, it dilutes the contents of the sodium in your blood, which means that your sodium levels become dangerously low levels in your blood. And that's what leads to water intoxication, and it also leads to a term called hyponatremia. And when that happens, it leads to seizures. It can lead to cardiac arrest and loss of consciousness and up to death. So yes, you can drink too much water at one point in time. And the people that typically tend to be high risk are endurance athletes because they're running, training at a high level, and all of a sudden they're so thirsty. And they don't realize how much water they're drinking at one point in time. And the kidneys can only process so much water within a short amount of time. So if you're drinking too much water and it exceeds 1.5 liters of water per hour, it's too much on your kidneys. And that's what leads to swelling of the brains, too much water in the brain, and can lead to seizures, can lead to cardiac arrest, loss of consciousness, up to death. So be mindful of that for some of you people that are so dehydrated, you want to drink lots of water at one point in time, which is good. But if you drink too much, it can be very, very dangerous. And people don't talk about that. We talk about drinking water, how it's healthy, but we never really talk about if you drink too much water. Hope that helps you. Take care.